Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to SAMHub solution. We are going to help you how to active the KRDT utility pro. You can easily active this and you can remove the itel Teno Infinix MDM instant and no need any credit, just require the activation. You can buy the activation very easily. First of all, you have to go to the iHello.com. You can see I am already on the iHello.com. iHello.com is the KRDT Pro Utility Pro is the official partner. We are going to show you how to active. I have already logged in my account. If you have no account, you can register and then log in account. You can add fund also auto. We have already video on our uh, channel. You can see this video how to active the or buy credit automatically. You can buy credit automatically by Binance or others wallet. We have also accepted very easily. You can add fund. So we are going to show you how to active the KRDT utility pro. First of all, you have to go to the order now. You can see here the order now option. Click order now and select the server service. You can see here the IMEI remote and server service. We have three types of service. Server service, it is to active any box dongle activation and require credit. You have to use the server service if you want to unlock any phone by IMEI or serial or iCloud bypass or network unlock FRP remove. So you have to use the IMEI service. Remotely services, we are doing this service remotely via USB or Ultra VR or anyway. So you have to choose the remote service. We are going to show the care utility pro right now, server service. You can see here the search box. Type here the just keyword, something, KRDT. You can see here the KRDT utility pro, 12 months, 24 months, 3 months, and 6 months. You can choose any activation. We are going to choose the 3 month services right now. KRDT utility pro, 3 months here. You can check here the support list, support model. They are updating web, so we cannot see as like ago tutorial. Most probably they are updating the website. You can see here the register option and partner option. You can see here the as unlocker distributor. Yeah, we are as unlocker. So first of all, you have to click here before activation. Click here to register. Choose your username, email address, password, and everything here you have to access. We have already registered on email that we will active right now. We'll paste here. It is our email that's we already registered. Place order. Place your registered email and place order. You can see here that your server order has been successful. Placed as successful. We are going to check our order history right now from here. You can see our order here. It is the order. We can check our order history again. We can see it is activated successfully for 3 months. Thanks for watching my video and stay with us. And look, if you need any other activation or tutorial for any other activation, so you can contact with us. Thanks for watching my video and stay with us. And look, and keep enjoying the Sunlocker service.